Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Samsung is introducing the new Galaxy A17 series of the smartphone. Let's dive into the specifications and features. A big part of this phone is its boot's sleek design with a Super AMOLED display with big 6.7 inches display screen size, which is capable of producing 1080 by 2340 pixels with a smooth refresh rate. It is fitted with the Insane Exynos chipset and an octa-core CPU, which make it one of the best options to deliver the highest possible performance. It will run on a massive 6 GB of RAM and with 128 GB of internal memory. The smartphone will be available with triple camera setup with 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel sensors. So you will be able to capture great photos and videos. The smartphone will pack large 5000 mAh battery, providing all day battery life. Phone will run on Android operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.